Hello everyone, I'm at the Bose store trying on these Bose sunglasses. It's difficult to see how they look. I have to wear a mask while shopping. Bose make a few different types of sunglasses. These are the Bose Tempo sunglasses. They are sports sunglasses. They sound great, they're comfortable. Should I buy them? Okay. It says global fit on the box, which means they are the same size in Taiwan as they are in other parts of the world. Oops. A nice high quality case. They didn't go cheap like Oakley. They put a little bag in there. A USB-C charging cable. They have 8 hours of battery life and it takes about 1 hour to charge. Three different types of nose pads to adjust the size and the fit. One's already on the actual sunglasses. A nice little Bose cleaning cloth to shine up the lenses. Yeah, I'll read this later. Right, I think that's about it now. I'll just follow the quick start guide to set them up and then install the app. I don't like the sound of the creaky hinges. I suppose it can't be helped with all the electronics inside. Right, I've got the Bose Music app installed. Let's open it. And I have to pair this to the sunglasses using Bluetooth, of course. Now for my honest opinion, after owning them for 1 week, my biggest disappointment was the sound leakage. Basically, it's like having two little speakers that everybody around you can hear. It is an open ear audio experience. They are sports sunglasses. But if you're thinking of wearing them in a quiet place, surrounded by people, you may want to think twice about purchasing these. On the positive side, they look great. You can change the lenses. I think there's 3 different types of lenses. The music sounds good. And they're good for outdoor activities, if you're hiking, running, things like that. You don't want things in your ears. You want to listen to sounds going on around you. These are great. If you're going to be in a quiet coffee shop or some other quiet environment, people can hear what you're listening to. I know you don't really wear sunglasses in a coffee shop inside. Some people do. Okay guys, a bit of moaning in this video. I was hoping they would be a bit more than what I expected them to be. I've still got my earbuds. I'll leave a couple of links in the description if you want to learn more about them or if you want to purchase them. Thanks for watching.